The confusing part is that we know that the integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So by this formula, if we try to find out the differentiation, integration of 1 upon x dx, now 1 upon x can be written as x to the power minus 1 dx. By this method, if we see the integration of this reciprocal function 1 upon x, now this can be written as x to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 plus 1 plus c, which is nothing but x to the power 0 upon 0 plus c. Now guys, this is 1 upon 0 plus c. Now we know that 1 upon 0 is not defined, since 0 can never come in the denominator. Therefore this is not defined. Therefore 1 upon x integration cannot be done with the help of this rule. So therefore the condition for this algebraic functions integration is equal to that n cannot be equal to 1 in this case, right? So whenever n is equal to 1, I will remind you, whenever n is equal to 1, we will have the function 1 upon x dx. Now guys, can you tell me what is the derivative of ln x? Natural log of x. Now we know that the derivative is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore the antiderivative of 1 upon x will be log x. So therefore whenever n is equal to 1, n is equal to minus 1, this is n equal to minus 1, I will get this integration as ln x plus c. So just remember this one, this part, that whenever n is equal to minus 1, I wrote plus 1 in the previous case. So whenever n is equal to minus 1, this integration, if we do at this case, this will be x to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to x to the power 0 upon 0, which is not defined. Therefore this has to be done with the help of logarithm, and this thing we already discussed, that the differentiation of ln x is equal to 1 upon x, right? And if we come to the exponential functions, now this was the logarithmic. Now if we see the exponential function e to the power x, we know that there was no change in the differentiation of e to the power x. So therefore the integral also will be equal to e to the power x plus c only. So therefore the indefinite integral of e to the power x, or the exponential function, is nothing but e to the power x itself.